In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Docusign and update your contact information efficiently. Whether you've recently gone through a name change or just want to update your profile, I'll guide you through this process step by step. To start, you'll need to open a web browser and head to the Docusign website. This is where you can easily access all the features that Docusign offers, from electronic signatures to intelligent agreement management. Once you're on the homepage, your next step will be logging into your account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the upper right hand corner of the screen. Click on it and proceed to enter your login credentials. If for any reason you have trouble accessing your account, Docusign provides options for password recovery or account assistance to help you get back on track quickly. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to the Docusign homepage. From here, you want to locate the profile option. This is typically found in your account menu, usually represented by an icon or your avatar in the upper right section of the interface. Clicking on profile will direct you to an area where you can see all your personal account settings and details. Now look for the option labeled Manage Profile. This is the key section where you can make changes to your personal information. Go ahead and click on this option and you'll be taken to another page where you can start updating your details. Once on the Manage Profile page, you'll see various editable fields related to your account. Look for the Update button. This is where you'll be making specific changes. After you've clicked on Update, notice that several components of your information, including your name, become editable. Find the field labeled Name and simply click on it. This will allow you to input your new name or any changes you wish to make. At this point, you can enter the updated information into the fields provided. Make sure to double check for any typos or errors, as these details are crucial for all your future transactions and interactions through Docusign. Once you're confident that everything looks good and is accurate, you can proceed to save your changes. Usually there's a save button or indicator to submit your changes and finalize the update. There you have it. You've successfully updated your name and contact information on Docusign. Keeping your profile information up to date is important to ensure smooth processing and use of Docusign services. Remember, regular updates to your personal details help maintain the integrity of your documents and communications within Docusign. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or check out Docusign's support resources for further assistance. Thank you for watching.